Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is all about crystals, and if this sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. I want to pour my crystals in two different ways, and because I want to see the difference in the looks of the different techniques and how the colors behave when I do certain things. So what you see me doing here is I'm dropping in every cavity 1 drop of my liquid transparent colorant. And if you want to have a darker color or a more intense color, then you have to drop more than 1 drop in those cavities. And now I have mixed up some resin, and I will pour this onto the drops of the colors. And we'll have to see how that works out. And when I got all the resin in there, I will take one of those micro brushes and I will dislodge every air bubble that might have been stuck on the bottom of the mold. So it's about 24 hours later and I'm about to demold, and what I just shown you there is that I didn't really put enough resin into that mold or on top of that mold. So not every single crystal is connected to the other ones. So I have lots of single pieces. And the crystals that are stuck together, they are really easy to remove from the mold. You can use the single crystals to your advantage because if you use them as single ones or you reorganize them in another way, then your crystal will always look different. Or you can use just single crystals for some projects. So this is the second technique that I'm trying to do. This time I fill up my molds 2/3 of the way up with clear resin. And when I did that, I will take my micro brush and I will try to dislodge every bubbles that might have been stuck on the bottom. And when I did that, then I will take colored resin. I have some leftovers of colored resin that I will pour on top of those molds, and fill them up to the end. And this time I will try to get them sticking together. So the resin that I'm pouring onto now is transparent resin. If you want to put some opaque resin on top of the clear resin, they're probably going to give you a whole different look to the crystals. it is time to demold, and I didn't had enough blue resin to pour onto my mold, so I poured the rest of it with clear resin, and yeah, I wanted to get it all together in one piece out of the mold this time. So these are the crystals that I dropped the color in first, and I really do like the outcome of that. And yeah, look at it, the sparkle and the glitter that is glistening from those crystals. And there is not even one piece of glitter in there. I really love it. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you get notified whenever I load up a new video. This helps me a great deal because I have only a very small YouTube channel, and every comment, like, and subscription is really appreciated. Thank you for that already. So, and these are the ones where I put in the clear resin first and then put on the colored resin. And as you can see here, most of the peaks are really still clear, and the color travels up to the top in little bitty steps, and I think this is an interesting effect as well. Yeah, I really like it, and I think the molds have done their share to make this beautiful. I really love them. They handmade, and yeah, I just love them. This is a crystal that I made with some leftover black resin, and I just poured in a little bit holographic glitter. I really love this one too. That's it for today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video again. And until that, bye bye!